Today we're gonna put some mock sets up. We're gonna test drive a iGoTrapping app, and we're just gonna put some mock sets up and see what we can get to come to it. It's July, and we're just gonna play around here with this while we're waiting on trapping season. So see if we can see any tracks in here. There's a deer track. Let's see if there's any coyote tracks or anything like that. But this would be a good spot. They would definitely be running right here. They'd definitely be running out here. A little path. It looks like they've got a path right there. Heading out in the field, you can barely see it. Don't see any sign, but I know they're running here. So we'll set up our camera, make a mock set, and then put it in our new app, showing what it is and where it's at. It locates it for you. So it's called iGoTrapping, and you can get it on your iPhone. And we're going to see if it works. So we're going to make a mock set real quick. All right, we got the camera set. Get some of these. There we go. All right. Got the camera set. Got some top dog we're gonna throw down in there, and this is our flat set, and we will see if there's anything that wants to play with it. And we're saying if it gets in that foot radius, we've got him. So we'll go set about 4 more and see how our app works. All right. Well, we're going to make a couple sets here and see if we can get 2 of them to come to them. We're going to make a dirt hole over there, and we'll make probably a flat set type over here. And we'll try to get 2 of them to come to it, or 1, whatever. But we'll see if our app works really good. So we'll make that, and I'll talk to you in a minute. So that would be the flat set, or triangle set as some call it. And we'll just lure that up. Got them holes. And let's see what we got here. Predator magnet. We'll throw a little bit of that in there. What else we got? Gland lure. Gotta have gland lure on a flat set. So put that in there. I mean, I just like putting a little bait in there. We'll throw some top dog in that little hole there. Don't take much, just slap that in there like that, shove that down, and there you go. It's your flat set or triangle set. And right there on top on that little stick, I'm just going to dribble a little bit of red fox urine. There we go, that one's finished. So we got a dirt hole here. We'll bait it up. And we're going to use Mighty Dog. Throw a little Mighty Dog in there. Just see what comes to it. Jam her down in there, that stick. Make them have to work for it. All right. Got the Mighty Dog. Red fox urine. Little squirt there. We're going to go with Vixen Elixir. Just put it on the back side. And I'm just going to stick a stick down in there and get some of it right there. That is good enough. Wipe some of that off. Might as well wipe it off on here. Alright. So Vixen Elixir. Mighty Dog. And let's just get a little hostile. Dunlap. We'll just put a little bit on there. Dip that down in there. Throw it in. And there you go. All right, that's it. Well, this would be a really good place for a set. If you see that little trail there, going all the way through, I'd probably put 2 DPs. I'd put one right there, especially in here because it's kind of got a, see, highway there. So it goes down through there and down through there, and then it comes this way. So you'd want one back there in that trail, and that's what we'll do. And we'd set one right here in that trail, and that's how we do it. Well, let's go to our rack. So let's see what we got here. So if you see, it shows every trap and where they're at. There's actually 2 up there. If you expand out, you can see them. Actually got 3 up there, but let's see, click on that. Set number 5. If you click the information, it'll tell you everything. Set number 5 is on the pond. It's a flat set. Coil spring, we got a Duke 450 there. We used red fox gland lure, we used fox urine, and we used predator seducer, I think. And that's all the information. If you would catch something, you go to this add catch and pull your trap, you use that one. You can delete it, and then it's done. So pretty good little app. Helps you remember where your traps are. Shows you what you place there. And after you compile enough of this information, you'll have a basis of knowing what lure works best, what traps you used, what kind of animals are in there. So it's a pretty good app. I'm going to use it this year, see, working the kinks out. There's a few things I had to put in and change around, but we're working the kinks out. I think it'll be a good little app. All right. All right. Have a good one.